How to fix Instagram collaborator problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram collaborator problem. So all what you want to do is very simple and easy. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded, so please wait and be patient because the loading is not gonna take a while. And after that, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now here you have to go to the power usage details and then click on the app launch and disable the manage automatically option. Make sure that all those options are enabled: auto launch, secondary launch, and run in background. Click OK. Go back, click on this force stop, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iOS, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.